Before we presented the idea of buying a business, would that have seemed as daunting as trying to start a business on your own, or more daunting, or less daunting?
Before we came across the Outback opportunity, or before we presented the opportunity for Nick and Four Pillars, we had never considered buying a business. One, didn't have a ton of capital, so it wasn't even a top of mind or a consideration. So we had been exploring quite a few ways to try to finance it, like maybe start with one machine, build up. And I think one of the things that we recognize going down that route is just the amount of years it would take to kind of get your footing was definitely daunting. So when we came across the Outback opportunity, we felt like we were starting 10 years ahead of where we'd be if we had started from scratch. So yeah, it was just a perfect opportunity for us. And the way Four Pillars laid it out, it looked achievable. We were kind of shocked that it was, just again because of the lack of capital we had, but it was great timing and great opportunity.
As you think about your life and the rest of your career being the owner of Outback versus working at another small shop, how do you think that has changed, both from financial or purely work-life balance or just work enjoyment? Yeah, can you just talk about how your life has changed as being a business owner as opposed to just an employee?
Since buying Outback, it's been real encouraging. A lot, I think, as I was, talking to people I respect about potentially buying Outback, I received a lot of warnings about, the stress that comes with it, the challenges that comes with it, and I appreciated feedback and measured it appropriately. But being at it for a few years, I was pleasantly surprised that yes, it is stressful. You've got a team of people that are dependent, and their families are dependent on our success. But the stress is different from the aspect that I feel now like there's more control to impact their lives positively. Whereas before, when I worked at a large corporation, had a pretty big team, I felt powerless, and that just really chewed me out. I think it was impacting the way I interacted with my life. It was just not a good be in. So the freedom that the owning a business has given me, with first and foremost the employees, and hopefully aiding and making their lives better, and then relieved a lot of that stress in my life, that I've since been able to have a lot more work-life balance. Try to lead by example, and definitely encourage the team here to family first, work hard while we're here, but we definitely hold the importance of the team relationships outside of the company as very important. Yeah, definitely the work-life balance has been encouraging.